Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Alpha Empoleon. First, you'll need to know its exact location in the Hisui region. Next, we'll cover how to prepare your team for a successful encounter, whether you choose to battle or use stealth. Finally, I'll guide you through the best methods for capturing this powerful Alpha Pokémon, ensuring you add it to your team. Alpha Empoleon resides in the Cobalt coastlands. Specifically, you'll find it on the Gillespie shore, which is the northmost beach from the beachside camp. To reach this area, you'll need to have acquired Basculegion as a ride Pokémon, allowing you to traverse the water. Alpha Empoleon is a static spawn, meaning it appears in this specific spot. Before approaching Alpha Empoleon, prepare your team. As a water and steel type, Empoleon is weak to electric, grass, and fighting type attacks. Consider bringing Pokémon with high special attack stats. For a stealthy approach, use stealth spray and smoke bombs to hide. Sticky globs are also highly effective for stunning Alpha Pokémon, making them easier to catch without battle. To capture Alpha Empoleon, you have a few options. If battling, weaken its health and inflict a status condition like sleep or paralysis. For a stealth capture, use berries to distract it, then throw an Ultra Ball or Gigaton Ball at its back for a higher catch rate. Remember, a higher star rank also improves your chances of catching Alpha Pokémon.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.